Ever noticed how everyone acts like they're travel experts, but then they're shivering by the window seat or paying $5 for airport water? Today, I'm revealing the flight secrets that airlines and airports don't want you to know. Secrets that could save you money, keep you comfortable, and maybe even save your sanity on your next trip. Let me start with something that'll blow your mind. That window seat you love for Instagram photos? It's actually freezing cold. The air outside commercial aircraft drops to minus 140 degrees Fahrenheit. That brutal cold seeps right through the plane's walls, making window seats noticeably chillier than the rest. During summer flights when you're dressed light, this becomes painfully obvious. Smart travelers always pack an extra layer or ask flight attendants for blankets before takeoff. Here's another shocker about what you're drinking up there. Skip the hot coffee and tea entirely. The water used to brew these drinks comes from onboard tanks that rarely get properly sanitized. Multiple studies have found dangerous bacteria like E. coli and staph in airplane water systems. Even flight attendants avoid drinking it themselves. If the crew won't touch it, neither should you. Stick to bottled water, juice, or soft drinks instead. Speaking of dirty, the germiest spots on planes aren't the bathrooms like you'd expect. The absolute worst are tray tables and seat back pockets. Those pockets collect disgusting leftovers from previous passengers, including used tissues, food wrappers, and random trash. Flight attendants have horror stories about people changing diapers directly on tray tables. Always pack disinfectant wipes, keep your belongings in overhead bins, and never place food directly on those surfaces. Flight timing makes a massive difference in your travel experience. Morning departures are consistently better than afternoon or evening flights. Delays compound throughout the day, so early flights face fewer ripple effects from previous cancellations. Morning air is also calmer, meaning significantly less turbulence. If you hate bumpy rides or stressed out delays, book the earliest departure possible. Now here's a counterintuitive seating strategy. Sitting toward the back might actually get you better service. Flight attendants can offer extras more discreetly in the rear without other passengers noticing. Free snacks, extra drinks, blankets, or pillows flow more freely when crews don't have to maintain perfect equality. Sure, you'll wait longer to deplane, but you might get VIP treatment during the flight. That travel pillow you bought, don't inflate it completely. Cabin pressure changes during flight, and an overinflated pillow can burst or become uncomfortably rigid. Leave some room for air expansion. Your neck will thank you when the pillow stays comfortable throughout the entire journey. Airline meal selection goes way beyond chicken or pasta. Request special meals when booking online, even without dietary restrictions. Vegetarian, kosher, seafood, or gluten-free options are often fresher, more flavorful, and served before regular meals. It's a completely free upgrade that most passengers never consider. Avoid wearing shorts on flights regardless of temperature. Cabin seats get touched by hundreds of people weekly, and most airlines only do surface cleaning between flights. Your bare skin contacts whatever previous passengers left behind. Plus, unexpected temperature drops make long pants essential for comfort. International travelers always forget one crucial item that causes major headaches. Bring a pen. You'll need it for customs forms, entry cards, and declarations. When flight attendants distribute paperwork, everyone scrambles asking for writing instruments. Being prepared saves time and eliminates that awkward 3 a.m. pen hunting situation. Turbulence-sensitive flyers should target seats over the wings. This area represents the aircraft's center of gravity, making it the most stable section during rough air. You'll feel significantly fewer bumps compared to nose or tail sections. Pilots consistently recommend wing seats for nervous flyers. Download your airline's mobile app before leaving home. These apps provide real-time gate changes, delay notifications, boarding information, and baggage tracking. Some even allow instant rebooking of canceled flights without waiting in customer service lines. Your boarding pass stays accessible on your phone, giving you complete travel control. Here's a hydration hack that saves serious money. Bring an empty reusable water bottle through security, then fill it at fountains or water stations near your gate. Airport water costs are absolutely ridiculous, and staying hydrated matters for long flights. This simple strategy keeps you healthy without the $5 bottle markup. Power banks are non-negotiable travel accessories. Airport outlets are either occupied, broken, or non-existent when you need them most. When your phone dies, you lose access to boarding passes, navigation, and ride-sharing apps. A fully charged power bank keeps your devices running regardless of outlet availability. Flight price shopping requires stealth mode. Use incognito or private browsing when searching airline websites. These platforms track your searches and sometimes increase prices for return visitors. Incognito browsing prevents price manipulation, while clearing cookies provides additional protection against dynamic pricing algorithms. Seat selection becomes easier with research tools like SeatGuru. These sites reveal which seats offer extra legroom, which don't recline, and which sit directly beside bathrooms. A few minutes of research prevents hours of flight discomfort. Many travelers don't realize that airports offer numerous free services designed to extract money elsewhere. Water refill stations exist throughout major terminals, often hidden near restrooms or disguised as decorative features. Finding these stations eliminates expensive bottle purchases while keeping you properly hydrated. Airport Wi-Fi restrictions have simple workarounds. When your free 30 minutes expire, switch to airplane mode, wait several seconds, then reconnect. This resets your session, tricking the system into treating you as a new user. Frequent flyers also share secret Wi-Fi codes online for unlimited high-speed access. Some airports provide free shower facilities in transit areas. Singapore, Changi, Tokyo Narita, and Dubai International offer these amenities to refresh weary travelers. If your airport lacks free showers, flight delays, or cancellations might qualify you for complimentary lounge access, which typically includes pristine shower facilities. Luggage cart fees represent another airport money grab, but top-tier airports like Dubai, Seoul, and Singapore provide free carts for all passengers. These airports understand that nickel and diming exhausted travelers creates terrible first impressions. Extended layovers become opportunities at airports offering free city tours. Istanbul, Doha, and Singapore provide guided excursions covering transportation, entrance fees, and sometimes meals for transit passengers. Check with airport information desks immediately upon arrival to join these programs. Duty-free shops and airport restaurants frequently offer generous samples to entice purchases. Strategic sampling can provide significant snacks without buying overpriced airport food. Channel your inner food critic and explore various vendor offerings. Airport sleeping areas exist but remain unmarked and unadvertised. Look for designated quiet zones, dimly lit relaxation rooms, or dedicated nap pods. Research your specific airport beforehand to locate these hidden rest areas for overnight layovers. Free phone charging stations hide throughout terminals near gate seating areas. Check under seats, behind trash receptacles, or integrated into airport decor. Keeping devices powered prevents travel disruptions when outlets seem scarce. Some international airports distribute free SIM cards with preloaded data and local minutes for arriving passengers. Dubai and Singapore airports recognize that connectivity matters for first-time visitors. These cards provide essential communication without expensive roaming charges. Certain airports offer complimentary transportation to city centers. Zurich and Hong Kong provide shuttle buses, trains, or tram services that eliminate expensive taxi rides or complicated public transit navigation. Remember, airports and airlines profit from uninformed travelers. Armed with these insights, you can navigate the system smartly, save substantial money, and travel with confidence. The aviation industry counts on passenger ignorance, but now you're equipped to outsmart their tactics. Which of these secrets surprised you most? Share your own travel discoveries in the comments, and make sure to subscribe for more insider travel knowledge that puts money back in your pocket.